All right, guys, so today I got a plastic cap to water tank here that I want to fix. You can see right where the crack is, obviously around almost half the side. So things we're gonna need to fix this cap today is some wire. If you don't have a spool of wire like this, some things to use are paper clips, an old metal clothes hanger if you still have some of those laying around, cut that up into little pieces. Wood burning kit or a solder, whatever works best. I like this because it has so many tips here that you can obviously interchange on the end of your solder gun. Just gives you a little more versatility. So what we're gonna do is cut your wire here into little strips. I'm just gonna do one here right now about 3/4 of an inch, maybe an inch long. These pieces of wire, and pretty much melt them into the plastic right on that seam. Obviously push it down in there for reinforcement. If we were to just melt this plastic back together, it's definitely liable to crack here in the near future. So using reinforcement like that obviously gives it a lot more rigidity and sometimes makes it even stronger than the plastic was before. So get to doing some of that and then show you where we're at. All right, so when you put these pieces here on the crack, solder it on, the solder is going to do most of the work. So all you're really using the solder for is to heat up this wire to embed it into the plastic. So if I readjust you here, all right, that's a little better. So what we're going to do is, let me find the crack here. So one of these last spots right here. So I'm gonna hold it down, and it's not gonna get the wire hot enough to burn your finger, but you can simply hold that right there. Take your solder gun, hold it on there, and in a couple seconds, it's gonna bury itself right in there, and just keep pushing on that until it gets what you think would be about halfway into the material. And just work the piece in there, and you can always do some cleanup after, so don't worry about if you make a mess of it. Not everything that we're fixing here is a showpiece. So do that, get it nice and deep, make sure it sits in there good. Come back there. You can see now we have kind of a little bit of a mess, but it's not hard to break that back out. Gun. Make it look somewhat presentable. So you got that. Let it harden up. If you want to sand it a little bit, you can definitely do that. But yeah, I don't want to put too much pressure on it right now, but you can see that gap is sealed right up. I got a couple in there now. All right, guys, that is it. I'm letting this harden up. It is still a little warm, so I don't want to put too much pressure on it right yet, but let it sit here, put it back on the tank. I appreciate you guys for watching. Definitely feel free to leave me any comments down below, anything that I may have missed, something else to try, anything like that. I appreciate you watching. Definitely feel free to check out the channel and follow along with any other projects, but you guys have a great day.